How $100 became $10,000. It started with a single $100 bill, a small, ordinary piece of paper. But for one person, it became the spark that built something far greater. This isn't a story about luck or winning a lottery. It's about 5 deliberate moves, each one calculated, patient, and relentless. 5 methods that turned $100 into $10,000. The beginning of the challenge. He gave himself one rule: start with $100, no savings, no help. Every dollar that followed had to come from that first one. It wasn't about getting rich fast. It was about proving that growth could be built layer by layer. Method 1, the foundation: flipping. With only $100, speed mattered. So he went back to an ancient hustle: flipping. Day after day, he scrolled through online marketplaces, searching for forgotten items, things people wanted gone. A coffee table for $20, a few dollars in polish. Hours later, it gleamed like new. He sold it for $90. That first flip sparked momentum. Chairs, shelves, books. Each small trade grew the seed of that first $100. Within weeks, it became $450. Small wins, quiet progress. But it worked. Method 2, the growth engine. Investing now with $450 in hand, the question changed: how can money work for you? He invested $400 into the S&P 500, a basket of America's 500 largest companies. Safe, slow, stable. Over 6 months, it became $440. But while that grew quietly, the flipping continued, bringing the total to nearly $1,000. It wasn't about speed anymore. It was about rhythm, momentum. Method 3, scaling up. The service hustle flipping had limits: time, space, and effort. So he built something new: a service. He noticed small local businesses struggling with social media. He offered help. Free for 1 month, results guaranteed. 2 clients said yes. And when the results came in, they stayed. $500 per month each. In 3 months, $3,000 was made. Not through luck, but through skill and service. Method 4, the calculated risk: crypto. With over $4,000 saved, it was time for a risk, but not a blind one. He put $1,000 into Bitcoin and Ethereum, 2 names that stood strong through time. He didn't chase trends. He waited. And when the market moved, so did his fortune. That $1,000 became $3,500. He sold part, kept part, $7,000 total, all from that single $100 bill. Method 5, the snowball effect. Let it work together. At this point, every dollar had a job. Profits from crypto went back into safe investments. His ETF balance passed $3,000. His service business? Growing fast. With proof and results, he raised his rates. New clients came. Income grew to $2,500 per month. 2 months later, he checked his accounts. $10,350. The blueprint, layer by layer. Flipping built the first momentum. Investing gave stability. Service created scale. Crypto added growth. And reinvestment built the snowball. Each method fed the next. Each lesson compounded. That's how real wealth is built. Not overnight, but through time, patience, and smart repetition. Closing, the reflection. So now imagine this. If you had $100 today, what would you do with it? Would you flip, invest, build? Or would you wait until the opportunity passes? Because sometimes all it takes is one decision, one challenge, one $100 bill,